So recording has started, and let's ask. Okay, so Nisar and Sidra, what I want you both to do, if you're both on laptop, I want you to open Chat GPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, if possible, Perplexity free. If you've used these tools or not, can you open them? Uh,
Yes, I have a
Okay, sir.
chat GPT.
yeah, Chat GPT, and if you can try opening DeepSeek, Gemini, Perplexity, and then I will also introduce you to two other tools, very useful tools today. And today I will teach you how to do semantic SEO writing using these AI tools. Okay, so let me start with ChatGPT. Let me share my window. Uh, okay, so uh, uh, yeah. Okay, so ChatGPT. Okay, so basically, I will be showing you a prompt, a semantic SEO prompt. Uh, uh, okay, so somehow some problem with the yeah. Okay, so now this is a this is a semantic SEO prompt in which I'm basically telling ChatGPT that I want to write a 1,000 word landing page. Okay. First, I tell ChatGPT to give me an outline. Okay. And I tell ChatGPT to make topical maps and content clusters for me. Okay. And I'm also telling them to give me double EAT content. By double EAT, we mean experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. I've gone through this in previous classes and the previous class too. I'll explain it more if you don't know. And sorry, went up again. Let me come back to that. Yeah, so this is so I'm also yeah, so trustworthy, and then I'm also telling them to use semantic terms, okay, and LSI keywords, search intent. I'm putting in the prompt to tell ChatGPT to also include search intent in the outline that I'm creating. Also include secondary LSI keywords. Use entity-based writing. So basically, in entity-based writing, you concentrate on entities like locations, brand names, answer key questions, use structured list tables, use contextual synonyms. I will also tell you what this is. And so use make topical map and content clusters. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT is giving me. Primary keyword, secondary keyword. Uh, Now I give these primary and secondary keywords. Now ChatGPT is generating these LSI keywords and semantic synonyms for me. LSI keywords and semantic synonyms are words which are similar to your primary and secondary keyword. And these are the LSI keywords and semantic synonyms that basically, can you see this, Nisar and Sidra? Nisar and Sidra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. I can.
these are the LSI keywords and semantic synonyms that ChatGPT has generated for me. And ChatGPT will put these keywords in the first, it has put it in the outline, and then it will also put it in the content that I will later generate. So this is the outline. Um, First introduction, ChatGPT is telling me that it will write an introduction of 150 words, and it will put these keywords and entities. By entities, he means the city, the bridge, the airport. You know, this type of writing entities is part of semantic SEO writing. And then for our services, ChatGPT is telling me it's better to write 200 to 250 words, and transport services offered, keywords to include. Then the third portion is why choose us for mini book buzz. For that, it says 150, 200 words, right? And keywords to include. Fourth portion is fleet overview. This, Chat GPT. And the LSI semantic terms are vehicle hire, Dundee, passenger transport, large group travel. I mean, terms that are similar to your primary and secondary keyword. And in the fifth portion is how to book. All this Chat GPT is giving me all this, preparing this outline for me. Number six, frequently asked questions. This is the sixth portion of the landing page article, and then the call to action. Okay, and then ChatGPT is creating the topical map and content clusters, which we discussed in the previous class. So the primary cluster um, includes these topics, these subtopics, and the secondary cluster is this, and the third is this support cluster. And then I also asked ChatGPT to give me Google algorithm alignment and best practices. So for EEAT, ChatGPT will add these things. For semantic SEO, it will add this. For structured content, for search intent, if you tell ChatGPT to write informational content, search intent content, it writes search intent, informational search intent content. If you tell ChatGPT to write commercial search intent content, it writes commercial. If you tell them transactional, if you tell them navigational, so ChatGPT can do that for you. Topic modeling, topical modeling, basically topic cluster strategy and trust signals. So this is an outline that ChatGPT gives you. Now some people believe that that the Google algorithm penalizes AI content SEO wise. That's a myth. As far as my experience of SEO is concerned, even 100% AI generated content is not penalized if you create helpful content, if you create relevant content, if you create semantic content. Even if it's 100% AI generated, it will not penalize you. So those people who want 90% human. There are a lot of marketing managers, a lot of brand managers who say we want 90% human, and they tell you to use zero GPT and these AI detection tools. It's all crap. It's all bullshit. Um, the algorithm doesn't care if it's AI generated or human generated. It should be helpful. It should be relevant. So then I told ChatGPT to now write me a 1,000 word article based on that, and this is the article that ChatGPT generated for me, and this is a semantic SEO landing page, as in it has semantic keywords apart from my primary and secondary keywords. This article has a lot of LSI, NLP, contextual synonyms keywords. Okay, so Nisar and Sidra, any questions up till now? Ask any type of question, any question on your mind. Don't hesitate, feel free to ask any question. Sidra, do you have a question?
No, sir. Everything is clear.
It's clear, sir.
Yeah, Nisar, do you have a question?
It's clear.
It's clear. Yeah, Sidra, do you have a question?
No, sir.
Sidra?
No, sir.
Okay, it's clear. Okay. Okay, now let's let's generate NLP keywords through um let's generate NLP keywords through uh, uh so uh I'm I'm putting the prompt, give me NLP keywords for the primary keyword use. Okay. So over here I'm using the primary keyword that I'm using is minibus and coach hire in Inverness. Inverness is a city in Scotland. So now uh, these are the NLP keywords that ChatGPT is generating for me. And NLP means keywords which are similar to your keywords. So so my primary keyword is minibus and coach hire in Inverness. And the NLP keyword semantic variations are Inverness, minibus hire, Inverness coach hire, private coach hire Inverness, group transferred Inverness, and uh, these are all uh, um, so minibus rental with driver. These are all similar keywords, NLP keywords, which ChatGPT. And then what you can do is once ChatGPT gives you these keywords, you can then tell ChatGPT to use these keywords in the article that you're writing. So in that way, ChatGPT is helping you make and write semantic SEO content. Okay. So, and then location and regional entities. These are entities, centers, tours, trips, which you can use in your content, which makes your content more semantic SEO optimized. Audience and use cases, trust and WAT signals, vehicle related terms. And then, ChatGPT is giving you topical clusters and related topics, as in subtopics. So, so this is how, ChatGPT can help you. Any questions on this, Nisar and Sidra? Feel free to ask any question.
Sir,
It's fine, sir.
Sidra, is it fine?
yo. Okay.
Yeah, okay, great. So now I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to give me contextual synonyms. Contextual synonyms for the primary keyword. Okay. So contextual synonyms are a little different from NLP keywords. NLP keywords are more semantically related. There's a Nisar, you're a teacher of English. Are you idea of a branch of linguistics called semantics? Are you aware of linguistics as a
Yes,
subject and semantics as a subject?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm aware of it.
Yeah,
It
so
means
basically,
meaning.
the Google algorithm uses NLP, natural language processing, which is a AI term, to study semantics of keyword in keywords, the semantic relationship between words, the linguistic relationship between words. Now the Google algorithm is so strong that when someone enters a long tail keyword, the algorithm is able to develop a link between the semantic and linguistic relationship between words. So these are contextual synonyms are you know that synonyms is a an English term. So this chat GPT has generated contextual. First, it generated NLP keywords for me. Now it has generated contextual synonyms for me. These are the contextual synonyms, and um, it generates service oriented synonyms, location contextual alternatives, audience tailored phrases. It has divided the type of synonyms: informational and conversational alternatives. Pro tip: use formal versions in headers or service lists. Use conversational phrases in FAQs. Use geographic variants in intro body. So, Chat GPT is giving you tips. Okay. This is how Chat GPT helps you in writing semantic SEO optimized content. Okay. So that's that. Now I will ask Chat GPT to give me give me LSI um, keywords for the primary keyword. LSI keywords. Uh, there's a slight difference between NLP, contextual synonyms, and LSI keywords. They are almost the same. To make it more clear, first let's look at let's look at these keywords, the LSI keywords. So yes, ChatGPT has divided um, uh, LSI keywords into uh, transportation and service related, and uh, trans, uh, location based LSI keywords, and um, trust, compliance, and professionalism. Use case keywords. So you can practice this when you go home after the class. How to use LSI keywords effectively. ChatGPT is also telling you that. Sprinkle them naturally. Use them in headings. Avoid keyword stuffing. Okay. So now, yes, ChatGPT says I can give you a keyword clustering map or topic modeling chart using these LSI terms to plan internal links or blog support content. Okay, yes. So ChatGPT is now generating a topical map for me based on this. So yeah. So now, basically, ChatGPT has now generated a keyword clustering map and topic modeling chart for me. So uh, yeah. So basically, so the keyword clustering map for Inverness, minibus, and coach hire has a core service cluster, which includes the primary keywords, uh, and it has uh, so it has a core service cluster which includes the primary keywords and the LSI keywords. Then it has topic focus. Then it has transport use case cluster with topic subpages: airport transfer, school trips, corporate. It's giving you structured content. ChatGPT is even telling you how to make a content strategy. Destination and experience cluster, topics and subpages. It is telling you which topics and subpages you should use, which festivals and local events, which entities to include, um, trust and compliance cluster keywords, topic examples, how to booking process cluster, um, recommended. It also tells you internal linking. Internal linking means how you connect your web pages, your different web pages on your websites. So, ChatGPT is also telling you the recommended internal linking structure. Okay, so basically you can use ChatGPT to create semantic SEO optimized content this way. Let me check. Actually, the class, this might disconnect after a couple of minutes. Um, Actually, what I want you to do is I want you to practice what I just taught. Let's just have a half an hour class today. Let's have another class after 2, 3 days, another half an hour class. Now I want you to practice this. I want you to choose a niche. I want you to choose a website. I want you to choose a topic. And I want you to do what I just did here. Okay? Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So I want you to practice this. This video is being recorded. And then let's have a class after 2, 3 days and discuss this. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, take care. Take care. Okay. Okay, bye.
Thank you. Thank you very
Allah
much.
Hafiz.